In this video, I'll show you step by step how to enable the 120Hz refresh rate on your device, allowing you to experience the incredible motion smoothness and responsiveness that come with a higher refresh rate, making every scroll and swipe feel buttery smooth. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Settings app on your Samsung phone and then scroll down a bit and you'll see an option called Display. Once you've found it, tap on it. And then tap where it says Motion Smoothness. So now, if you have set motion smoothness to standard, change it to high. Get smoother animations and scrolling with a 120Hz refresh rate. And then tap the Apply button to save changes. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.